This was a project just north of Shawnee, Oklahoma. This tank was receiving a pressure wash and overcoat of the exterior. As you can see on the knuckle of the roof there, it had to get some spot prime of 27 after feathering the edges because some of the top coat came off on the pressure wash. And I was a little worried about the paint curling back if they just slapped the final coat of 72 over it without priming it. Right here they're just painting they've spot primed everything, and now they're putting the coat of 72 on the leg drops. This is their final leg drop. It was always really windy out there, so it's tough to fly the drone around. Starting to get a little bit more brave with the old drone, flying it closer to the guys. Really got to pay attention on these overcoats to make sure you hit everything. If the previous coat wasn't in that bad a shape, it can be tough to tell whether you missed a spot or not. Here's some of that spot prime on the roof. And here's the final job, all completed. Everything turned out great. There was no curling back of the paint, and should hold up for a good while. Yeah, there was a strong south wind here. I was worried I was not going to be able to bring the drone back in. On the left, all locked up. And the vent there in the middle of all those antennas. Had to put a new screen on it. Definitely a job well done. Y'all enjoy the music.